So Tesla was a little tricky for us this morning because we went in and out few times. Pre-market planning, bearish to neutral bias, only long if 512 calls. What is the 512 call? That is my 512 call. This is where it turned bullish. That's why I told everyone trying to turn bullish. Confirmed long versus 380. So we were long and we added here, but when it pulled back, we got out. Little small loss or scratch, but then it became long again. Right here at 1041. Look at this. Ripster 512 calls. Market was bouncing. You have to track the market. And that's when I said put the stops at 380, 350 and high of their target. And then we were having a flag. As soon as the flag broke out, I gave the MTF target and we hit the lower MTF. Then there was another flag. Then I gave the higher MTF target, 400 target. But as soon as we broke out of the 400, then it's not the time to cut. It's time to hold or trade more. There's nothing too high. I keep teaching everyone there's nothing too high, nothing too low. It's a Friday, lot of options, gamma squeeze, everything possible. So what we were doing was we were adding our targets. So this was the long flag back here. Ripster cloud's holding. Everybody's holding. This is a flag. This is a flag. And you hold. And you know there's a trend. Market is bouncing. I said 400 and MTF cloud breakout. And I said 0 TTs going insane. That means people are buying 0 TTs. And then I gave a target of 20 EMA on a daily chart. Why is that? 20 EMA on daily chart? Because this is my MTF cloud. 20 EMA on intraday chart. That was my target. And from there on, we pushed to the target that I gave. Long here, hold here, add 400, long 400, all day, you can profit on Tesla. So if I'm looking at 400 lottos, let's say I want a long here at the open, those 400 lottos were nothing. They were 16.30 cents. So you can risk 100%. You risk your 100% on 400 lottos. They are at the $1. They are again at 50-60 cents. If you're not in 400, let's say you were in 385s at the open, right? So 385 is a decent $2. You get back here when we were curling here, $3-4. They hit $10. You made $6,000. Now you throw your profits into 400 calls, and then you know they are going to move as soon as this flag breakout goes towards 400. 400 breaks, you do not cut, and those calls went down to $10. So that's how you risk $500, but you end up making $10,000. If you made a few $1,000s in the first move, you buy the next lotto. That's why I keep telling, do not close, do not close, do not close. Hold all day, beautiful long trade. Rivian was a small account special. Again, you see Rivian long, cloud, MTF pullbacks, 1350, 1420. As soon as it broke out of 1420, I knew it's a long. I told everybody on the voice, long. Watch the pullbacks as well. 1350 calls were good. 16 was the target. We met 16. Then I said roll into 1650s. Then 1650s went from 16 cents to 34 cents as well. These kind of stocks are for the small account traders where you can easily grow your small account. These were the 1550s. When I first started on the call, it was long. It was trading at 10 cents. They went to 90 cents. You had $1,000. Let's say you do not even hold fully. You can still make $5,000 out of those $1,000. It's a simple setup. You need to respect the cloud system and follow the cloud system. And I don't tell anybody to cut. I say hold. And once it broke this 512, we exited here. Although it reclaimed. It's another repeatable concept. It reclaimed. It became bullish again. You can long it back again. Gave you another 60 cents if you want to trade it. But this is an important concept of bullish reclaim that you need to understand on these EMA cloud setups. Use these repeatable setups. And one thing, guys, you have to understand. Some days there'll be nothing. But days like today, you make up for those 3-4 days.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.